Before we start to using it, make sure it is fully charged. To charge it, here is a charging port. Connect the USB cable to the Bluetooth and the red light will appear. Once it is fully charged, the blue light will appear and you can disconnect it. Setting up the earpiece. To set up the earpiece, first unscrew the black lid. You can screw it towards you and then you will see the spring inside. Take the battery. Battery has two sides. The side with the black circle and a flat side. The side with the black circles goes inside the earpiece and the flat part must face you. Make sure you put the battery correctly and put back the black lid. Make sure you put it in the straight line and screw it gently. Do not put a lot of force. Now you have successfully put the battery inside the earpiece. Now what you need to do, you need to put it in your ear to hear a buzz sound. Now you can take the earpiece and put it in your ear and you will hear small static sound, small buzz noise. So in case you not hear the small static buzz noise, make sure the battery is inserted correctly and try the different battery. You got two batteries. So if you hear the small static sound, you are good to go. Turning on and pairing Bluetooth loop. To turn on the Bluetooth loop, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. The blue light will blink 2 times and after that blue and red light will start blinking. Now take your phone, open your Bluetooth settings and look for the available devices. The name of the Bluetooth is GB-T01. So go ahead, click pair and allow to access your contacts and click pair. Once you have successfully paired it, the red and blue light will stop blinking and only the blue light will blink every 5 seconds. To double check if everything is okay, open the Bluetooth settings of the device and make sure that the phone calls and media audio are enabled, and that's it. Now you can take a Bluetooth loop and put it around your neck as a necklace and just hide it under your shirt and you're good to go. Now you can call your friend. Just make sure the calls are set up to the Bluetooth and make sure the headset is selected. Also make sure to turn on the volume more high so you can hear them more clear. To hang up the call, you just press 1 time. You can also call the last number if you hit the button 2 times. It will call the last number. And if your friend is calling you, you just press 1 time to pick it up. So you can pick up, hang up and call the last number with these options. After you finish using it, make sure you turn it off. To turn it off, you press and hold button for 6 seconds and you will see the red light blink 2 times. You can also hear in the earpiece power off once it is closed. Also, it's very important after you finish using the earpiece to take out the battery. This is very important. Unscrew the black lid. Watch out the battery doesn't fall. Just gently unscrew it. Take the battery out and put the lid back on. This is very important. In case you do not take out the battery, it can damage the earpiece because the battery can leak and it can damage electronics. So make sure after the usage you always take out the battery. In case you are not able to see the device on your Bluetooth, what can happen if you use this headset on a different phone? It will be connected to a different phone, so make sure you always check the last phone you use it and unpair. Because if you use 2 phones on this headset, it will always connect to the first phone that you pair. So This is just a quick tip in case you don't see it, right? So make sure you are connected. In case you hear too loud buzz sound on the earpiece, this could happen because you are near some electric devices such as TV, laptop, computer, or any high voltage cables that can interfere with magnetic field of the earpiece. So make sure you stay away from the devices that can interfere with the earpiece. Try to move away and the loud buzz sound will go away as well. So if you put, for example, cable, high voltage cable, it will interfere with the signal. So it's best to move around the room where you don't have electric device.